Introducing a new way to experience parking. Simple, elegant, intelligent. Featuring 46-inch display with 8mm thick tempered glass. Drivers immediately see the most important information, all clearly visible in one interface. The interface can be easily customized. Just like on a smartphone, icons move, edit mode activates, and new widgets can be added in seconds. Parking status, city announcements, local information, or emergency alerts. Every city can design its own interface, clear, flexible, and always relevant. But the same device can do more. It can display public information, such as departures, schedules, or other real-time updates. It can guide visitors through complex spaces with clear navigation and directions, all managed through a powerful overview platform. Monitor devices in real time, update content remotely, and manage parking, information, and communication all in one place. Easily integrated into your existing systems or operated directly through the platform. Built for the cities of tomorrow. CrossPark.